Well, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now this video could be an ongoing one, could be lots of parts to it, but I think quite a few of you out there are going to enjoy this one. It's a turntable. Okay, now it's in pieces because there is half a dozen of these that have been in my workshop now for probably 6 or 8 years. And I'm only just getting to them now. I want to rebuild them. Now, this is just not an ordinary turntable. This is the turntable itself. It does not include an arm and cartridge and all the business up the side of it. So this is a professional Technics SP10 Mark II turntable. Okay, so here's the bits and pieces, and if we have a look, there's the top of him, not much underneath, and there's the base, so nothing in there either. Everything connected with this turntable is in pieces here on the bench. Now we've even got the power supply for these. Now these are a dedicated power supply. What we're going to do over the next couple of months probably, I'm going to take you through the rebuild of this thing. We're going to recap it, and if you look at some of the boards, there's quite a few caps, and yeah, there's a bit of work to this. So it'll be an ongoing project. We'll probably recap a particular board and do a video on it. There'll be short videos, but showing each board, what it's for, what its function is in the scheme of things. There's lots of little mechanical things. There's a mechanical on-off switch. There's a neon that needs replacing. There's a solenoid that needs work doing on it. There's all sorts of things to do with these turntables. Excuse the squeaking in my chair. So what I'm going to do over, as I said, the next couple of months, split this up into a few segments. It won't be terribly long, but you may have one of these turntables. A lot of people have got SP10s. So they were a professional turntable from the mid-70s, early 80s, and you paired them with whatever arm you wanted at the time, whatever you wanted to set up, an SME or whatever arm you wanted to put with this. So I'm not a professional on these, so what I'm showing you is what I've done in the past. I have done probably 20 or 30 of these anyway, so I'm fairly familiar, but what I'm going to do with this one is take you right through step by step. We'll go through the service manual and we'll set this up. There is lots of different pots, settings, trim pots, and lots of areas where we can monitor what the motor is doing. Now, there's your motor, direct drive motor, and weighs a ton. So this is the project now. It's just, this is just the intro to it. I hope you follow along. It'll be quite an interesting project, but this will be a project that runs in the background of my bench work and the restorations that I'm doing. So yeah, if you'd like to follow it along, please subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll be notified each time I put a video up, but especially for this part series. This could be an 8 or 10 part series, but they'll be fairly short videos on each segment, and then the last one with the setting up of it. Okay, so I hope if you like the idea, give us a thumbs up. Comments are always welcome on, especially with these things, these SP10s, SP10 Mark IIs. Beautiful, beautiful turntables, and very, very sought after. Okay, so that's it, guys, for the intro. It's only a short one, but I'm sure you will enjoy the restoration, well, part restoration, part assembly and setting up of this turntable. I think it'll be great, actually, and we're recapping the lot. We're not missing any on this one. Okay then, I hope to catch us down the track, and my next video on a restore will be up very shortly. Okay then, we'll catch you next time. Bye for now.